Hey there. If your mind feels busy, if the day was a lot, let this be your moment to let go. You don't have to fix anything right now. You don't have to solve or figure anything out. Right now, you're allowed to rest. So let's start by taking a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Again, in and out. Let the exhale be a release, like you're setting the day down. Notice how your body feels right now. No judgment, just awareness. Let yourself get comfortable. Let your shoulders drop, unclench your jaw, and soften your hands. If a thought pops up, that's okay. Just gently come back to your breath. This moment is for you, and you have made it through the day. Now, picture all your thoughts, the busy ones, the to-dos, the worries, floating above you like clouds. You don't have to chase them. You don't have to hold them. Let them drift. Now, imagine yourself standing by a gentle river. Each time you breathe out, you're tossing a stone into the water. Each stone holds something you're letting go from today. A frustration, a mistake, a conversation you played too many times. Drop it in, watch it sink, and let the current carry it away. Now, bring your focus inward. Say to yourself, I've done enough for today. It's okay to rest. My body deserves peace. My mind deserves quiet. Sleep is healing. I give myself permission to receive it. Breathe in calm and breathe out tension. Let your thoughts slow down and let your heart soften. You are safe. You are enough, and you're allowed to let go. Let this be your reset. Let sleep take you when it's ready. And if thoughts return, so can you, to this moment, to this breath. If you need, this video will always be here. And I'll be back with another meditation on the first Monday of August. But until then, rest well. Bye.